Hey guys, good morning. Here, Tony. I'm currently in the bathroom, so that's why you guys hear that background noise in the toilet and stuff. Um, a lot of you guys were asking me like what I would think, cause where I would start buying DogeCoin again, or where I would even think about putting in money again. The only place that I would put money in is not necessarily based off of the fibs. So you guys can see right now it's currently retesting this $26-27 level, right? That's a fib level. It's currently retesting it. You can obviously see how it wicked down here. It didn't pass it, and it's like almost it's perfectly retesting this, right? Where I would start buying doggy again. I'm not gonna start buying doggy again until we see this $40 level on the stochastic, which has basically been every single level, which was actually a level from previous time where we actually did this huge turnaround. This was back in like I don't know when it was. I forgot when I did it, but it's been a very good support level to indicate where to actually purchase doggy coin, and it goes back to 2017 and back to I think 29 2020 when all crypto went down, and then again in 2017 when all crypto went down, and everything started recovering around this $40 stochastic level. So on the daily, I'm not looking at buying any other doggy or adding to my position unless we actually go, and once we hit this $40 stochastic level, um, on the daily, not on the 4 hour, not on the week, not on the 1 hour, but on the daily. That's why this is very important. That's why this is here. That's why this red line is here. Once doggy coin or the stochastic crosses this or starts touching this 40 hour line on the stochastic, that's when I'll probably start adding more to my position, because that's when I think it'll actually start rebounding. Again, doggy is sporadic. It can shoot up to 50 cents just by volume, right? Just by volume. But as far as me, my strategy, you guys know that I always try to stay as you know, as permanent to my strategy as I possibly can. This is where I think the next buying opportunity is going to be, at least for myself. So when we hit this 40 stochastic, that's when I'm going to be actually purchasing in. Obviously, doggy did sell off a little bit from these highs of the 43 and this fib level of 40 cents, right? And obviously you guys can see that perfect retest right here. Perfect retest. So we need to see what actually happens in the next like couple of hours or so. So far right now, all indication is still showing really strong movement on the downside. The stochastic is barely up top here. I mean, it has a long way to go. So we can, and the thing is, on the daily, it didn't even the stochastic didn't even move that much, man. That's the crazy part. It didn't even move that much, and we had a huge drop from 40 cents all the way down to 24 cents. So almost a 50% drop, which is absolutely insane. Which is a scary part, because you have all this, man. You have all this to drop, and you really only barely crossed the stochastic on the creation of tops recently. So this needs to bounce, right? Doggy needs to bounce off these levels to actually stay above this $27 level. But I do think as soon as this price gets broken, I do think it's going to go all the way back down to like 18 cents. That's why this is a very strong. This has to be a strong support level, or it's going back to 18 cents relatively quickly, and I can argue that it's going back down even lower. But look at this. So I do have a swing support resistance level set up, at least to indicate, to give me like a good indication of where price can actually start moving towards, or where it can actually start like breaking, or where it needs to break, right? So it does it automatically for me. As of right now, the low that it created was 24.98, so like around 25 cents, right? If it breaks this level towards the downside, yeah, 100%, I think we're going down to 18 cents. But it can always retest it, right? It can always retest, go all the way back to 40 cents. So there's a very big chance that we can still go back to 40 cents. But like I said, we need to figure out what's going on, because momentum right now it's towards the downside, and even right now you guys can see while I'm talking, it's creating a brand new bearish candle. So as long as this barrier, or as long as this support doesn't get broken, I think we're perfectly fine on doggy, maybe going back to 40 cents. But if this gets broken, this barrier, this support of 25 cents, 24.8, 24.9, 100%, I think we're going down to 18 cents unless a bunch of volume comes in. I'll see you guys later.